Today I'm replacing the lights in my visor to LEDs. I've got one here. So let's get started. I've already removed the little trim piece. So you take something really thin and pop it out and just kind of scooch it along, and it pops right out. And pop this one out. Careful because it's hot. And then make sure that this one's fine. I mean, if it works, it doesn't work both ways. So you have to make sure you put it in there the correct way. And because it's a little wider than the original one, you kind of have to roll it in there so that the tabs, this tab doesn't hit when you put it back in. I did the passenger side and it was just a total mess, but learn from my mistake there. So we're going to put this one in there and just kind of rolled over a little bit, and then pop this little bad boy back in. Make sure all your tabs are where they need to be. That one there, that one there, and pop it back in. Now it might stick up just a little bit because you got it rolled over, but that was the only way I could get that to fit in there. So much better than the regular old lights, up brighter. I've already done the interior lights up here and the trunk lights. I kind of swapped them all out, so this looks pretty good, a lot brighter. All right.